Hey family, hey tastemakers, Tanya here. Welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table, where we live tastefully for less. Today I just want to share with you my grocery haul from Kroger, and I just wanted to see what I could get for 25 up to $25. That was my limit. I wanted protein, I wanted some stuff for breakfast, and I like to eat a lot of salads. And then I used some of my loyalty coupons to get some deals here. So first I'll start with this. Sometimes like bread, like how we used to be able to get bread for like 89 cents and hamburger buns for 69 cents. It was hard to find that in the store. As a matter of fact, I took you guys shopping with me in the store and got some good coverage. The store looked good, looked pretty full. So you're gonna have to like look high to like get like 99-cent stuff, and you're gonna have to look low. Okay, the stuff at eye level is, it's a little higher. So I found this bread. This bread was 99 cents, and this was the least expensive bread that I saw in there. And it's just white bread. So that's why I just went on and got it. I don't eat much bread, but I like to keep it in my freezer. I might want a sandwich or something. Uh, Kroger creamy peanut butter was $1, and the best buy date is of September 15 of 2022. A lot of the dates on some of the canned goods looked okay. Look, 2 and 3 years out. So then I had a free coupon for this, so I got some chips. Okay, and then I got this was my deal, my second deal of the day. It was $2.49 for a spring mix, and then a bunch of romaine. This was $1.99. I don't like paying that much for romaine, but that's what I got. Got 3 bananas. These were like still 55 cents per pound. Roma tomato. I think this was like almost $2. 50 cents. Got a red or purple cabbage. Gonna eat that raw. Bell pepper. I think that was 79 cents. I got some Roma tomatoes. How much? I have my receipt right here for a change. I have my receipt here. Let's see. The romaine was $1.99. The green onion was 50 cents. Roma tomatoes, these were 52. They were 99 cents a pound, and I got half of a pound. So these were 52 cents. Just get a few. Okay, I already showed. And the eggs, it's the highest I've ever seen eggs in Kroger. The eggs were $1.09, and I had a coupon. I don't know, how much did I get off of I think the eggs, I got 40 cents off that. Got the ground beef. The ground beef was, how much was it? Ground beef was $4.39 for this little thing, and I had a coupon for $1.10 off. So I got that. And then the deal of the day is the 10-pound. If I can get these 10-pound bag of chicken leg quarters for 59 cents per pound. So that means these were $5.90, almost $6 for 10 pounds of chicken leg quarters. All right, so that's it. And let's see. So my total was before tax was $22.37. Yeah, that was with tax. $22.37. I'll show you guys. So just want to encourage you guys, this again, we can eat. We can still get some good deals and can still eat well for under $25 a week. All right, and so I'm gonna have a haul of a meal prep with all of this. Guys, I've been busy today. I'm not cooking today. And let me show you my receipt. See, I don't know if you can see that 22.37. Okay, so I got change back. I got $2.63 back. That can get you a little bit of gas if you go back and get something else if you wanted to, or put it towards the gas bill. I had a couple was sitting there. Every time I go to the store, someone always approaches me, and a couple with some children bouncing off the back. They were sitting there, and the man, was like, he was mumbling. You could tell it was so hard for him to have to ask for help. And I think they were stuck. He said, can y'all give me some gas? We're trying to get some food, So after, I really couldn't hear what he was saying. I was like, no, I'm not interested. And then after, like, God was talking to me and said, so after I got all of my stuff, and they were still stuck out there, and the kids were, go bouncing off the wall. And I said, what did you ask me? He said, we're just trying to get some food around here. And they were stuck at the gas pump. And so I just like, so, God was just telling me, help them out the best way you can. And so I just, I scraped up some money, and I scraped up, $10. And I was like, can $10 help you? And he was like, you just like, God, somebody, because I saw everybody else was like turning him down. I even turned him down at first because I didn't understand what he was saying. He wasn't comfortable asking for anything. His wife, was watching the kids. So I, and just like, $10 means something to me. You can get a lot of food for $10 still, but really meant everything to him and them. So they were able to put some money in the car to move it, so they can get somewhere and get some food or whatever. So I was saying that $2.63, may not be much to some people, but it could be a blessing to somebody else. You can put it in the gas tank. It can take you somewhere. Okay, guys, so thank you so much. Thank you for tuning in and supporting the channel. I appreciate you so much. I got to put this stuff away, and then when I got a chance, I'll do a meal prep. And thanks again. If you like content like this, don't hesitate to subscribe. You can hit the subscribe. It's free. You get some free content and tips and everything. And like, comment, share. And I'll see you in my next video. All right. Bye, Mom. See you guys later.